Welcome to Carmen's Kitchen. I don't know rights to any of this music. Welcome in, everybody. Happy Sunday. We're going to jam down some Nita today. And then one more song after this. How's everybody Sunday doing? Thing ain't like that. That's what you heard me say. We were going to flashback. Watch this and that. Flashback. Something day. Some made us laugh. Some made us sad. We used to break up to make up on that day. With the things that said, one day I need someone new. I just don't do. Hey, because I think about you. Here we go. 365 days of the year. I want to see what love. All I wanna do is say no loving you. Say no now. You're in Carmen's Kitchen. Ain't like that. Happy Sunday. Feel this way. All the things you do. I like the things that you say. No love never changes. It's not like a picture frame. And it remains the same. One day for me, oh, keeps me strong. That's what the name. Keeps me holding on to it. 365 days of the year. I want you to sing on my way. Yes, darling. Check this out now. All I wanna do is share my life with you. I want you to sing on my way. I love it. Yes. Happy Sunday to everyone. Carmen's Kitchen. Yes, a beautiful Sunday. Thing like that. We were in jam on a little baby, and that's what it is. I'm going to turn it around a little bit. I'm going to shake the leg, and then I'm going to take you guys in the kitchen. Here we go. I'm never singing. I'll never leave you. You know I need you, baby, but we got into it. 365 days of the year. I want you to stay on love. And all I wanna do is share my life with you. But the same old love. From beginning to end, 365 days of the year. I want to sing my love. And all I wanna do is share my life with you. I want to sing my love. From beginning to end, 365 days of the year. I want to sing my love. Let's go. Take this out. All I wanna do is share my life with you. Just say me now. Yeah. Here we go now. From the beginning to end, 300. That ain't like that. That's what I'm saying. That ain't like that. How's everybody Sunday? Mama's Kitchen. I'm gonna take you guys in the kitchen in a little while. I'm gonna do one more song. Kitchen. Yes, darling. Yes. You're in Carmen's Kitchen. Let's go, people. Let's go in the kitchen. Here we go now. Check it out now. Check it out. That ain't like it. I'm in the kitchen. How's everybody Sunday? That ain't like it. That's what you heard me say. That ain't like it. So, guys, I'm going to show you guys what I cooked. Short and sweet today. Yes, short and sweet today in Carmen's Kitchen. Okay, guys? So here we go. Check this out. I'm going to take these tops off everything. See, I got that wine. That's what it out. So, so guys, this is what I cooked today in Carmen's kitchen. Just a second. I'm going to take it off here. Bang like that. Let me ease it off here. So this is what I did today in Carmen's kitchen. Happy Sunday to everybody. Yes, it's a beautiful Sunday. Yes, darling. So I just want to say before I show the food, I just want to say that it was a death of my family. My favorite auntie. Yes, darling. I took her every month to the bank and took care of her business and things. Okay, so she passed away this past Monday, and you know I'm trying to hold up. She want me to carry on, and that's what I'm doing. I miss you, Auntie. We used to call her Ciola. Her name's Ciola. Her name is Auntie. We call her. I miss her, and I look forward to seeing her this Friday at her funeral. I miss you. Rest in peace, baby. We had some good times together, me and you. Yes, just going down the road laughing together. You had no teeth, and that cracked me up, and you knew it. Dang it. So let's do it. I love you, girl. Rest in paradise. That's what I call it. Rest in paradise, ain't it? Yes. So let's do it. So this is what I did today, guys. I did that sweet corn with the green peppers and onions and things. Okay. Also today I want to do actually some green beans and potatoes here. Green beans and potatoes down in there, guys. It's still smoking. It's smoking and thing. That wasn't the one that's still smoking. Thing like that. Yes. Yeah, I got a late start at Carmen Kitchen does. Carmen Kitchen get late starts. But Carmen Kitchen get it done. So check this out. That's that there. Them green beans with them ham hocks up in there. Put a little juice on there. Thing like that. Mmm. That's that one of them ham hocks down in there. Yeah, there. Then that's that other ham hock. Okay, guys? So the green beans and the ham hocks here. And then my potatoes and stuff. Yes. To make it make sense, to bring the flavor out. Last but not least, guys. Okay. Also got, let me just stir it up a little bit here. Music down, guys. And say, I just want to make that toast, guys. Yes, darling. Let's do that toast and thing like that so I can get up off here and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Yes, I had a fantastic weekend. My weekend was marvelous. My cousin flew in for her 60th birthday from Arizona. Yes, darling. And we had a marvelous time last night. It was good seeing her. Oh God, we had a good time, guys. So, yeah, Carmen Kitchen was out there shaking the leg like I do. Carmen Kitchen don't stop. Remember that. Carmen Kitchen don't stop. So let's do that. Happy birthday, Bonnie. Happy 60th birthday, girl. We tore it up last night. Dang. That's what it did. Dang it. So I got pictures, guys. Yes, with her and me, myself, of course. But happy birthday, girl. You know me and you was road dogs. And still to this day, we are road dogs. So, guys, I'm off here. I will see you guys next Sunday on Carmen's Kitchen. Let's make that toast. Thing like that. So, here we go. Keep your eyes on me, planet. You're in Carmen's Kitchen. And then, never deny it. Until next Sunday, guys. I'll see you then. Deuces. Peace and love.